Hello, friends. Today I want to talk about something very simple, but this simple thing can make a big change in your life. It is called a morning routine. A morning routine means the things you do every morning. For example, when you wake up, what you do first, what you do next. Some people wake up late. Some people check their phone first. Some people just run to school or office. But that is not the best way. If you make a good morning routine, your day becomes better. Your body feels better. Your mind feels fresh. You feel more happy and strong. And slowly, your life changes. So, let's talk about the morning routine that can change your life. I will explain step by step. All steps are simple. Step 1. Wake up early. The first step is to wake up early.
Not very late. Try to wake up before the sun rises or with the sun. Why? Because morning time is peaceful. The world is quiet. Your mind is calm. You can think clearly. If you wake up late, the day feels rushed. You have no time for yourself. You just run behind time. But if you wake up early, you feel in control. You feel powerful. Step 2. Do not touch your phone. When you wake up, do not touch your phone first. Do not open social media. Do not watch videos. Why? Because your brain is fresh in the morning. If you fill it with noise, you lose focus. Your mood becomes weak. So first thing, keep your phone away. Use that time for yourself. Step 3. Drink water. After waking up, drink water. Your body was sleeping for many hours. It needs water. Water gives you energy. It cleans your body from inside. You feel awake. Some people drink tea or coffee first, but water is better. 1 glass of water is enough. Slowly drink it. Feel the freshness.
Step 4. Move your body. The next step is to move your body. You can stretch. You can do yoga. You can do some exercise. You can even just walk. When you move your body, blood starts flowing. Your muscles wake up. You feel active. If you do this daily, your health becomes strong. Remember, even 10 minutes is enough. You don't need 1 hour. Just a little movement makes a big change.
Step 5. Breathe. Take some deep breaths. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Do this for a few minutes. Breathing calms your mind. It gives oxygen to your body. It makes you peaceful. It reduces stress. You can also close your eyes and sit quietly. This is called meditation. Meditation helps you focus. It makes your brain powerful. Step 6. Be grateful. Think of 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe your family. Maybe your friends. Maybe your school or your health. Say in your mind, "Thank you." Why is this important? Because gratitude changes your heart. It makes you happy with what you have. It gives you positive energy. When you are positive, good things come to you. Step 7. Write your plan. Take a notebook. Write down what you want to do today. Just 3 main things. Not 20, not 30. Just 3 important things. This makes your day clear. You know what to focus on. You don't waste time. You feel organized. When you finish your tasks, you feel proud. This builds confidence.
Step 8. Read or learn something. Spend 10 minutes reading a good book, or listen to something useful. Learn 1 new thing. Why? Because morning is the best time for learning. Your brain is sharp. Whatever you read, you remember well. It can be a story, a lesson, or a positive thought. This makes your mind grow.
Step 9. Eat a healthy breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is like fuel for your body. If you don't eat, you feel weak. You cannot focus in school or work. Eat something simple and healthy. Fruits, milk, eggs, oats, or bread. Do not eat junk food in the morning. That makes you slow. A good breakfast gives you energy for the whole day. Step 10. Start your day with a smile. Before leaving home, look in the mirror. Smile at yourself. Say, "Today will be a good day." This sounds small, but it is powerful. When you smile, your mood becomes better. When you believe the day is good, your actions are good. Because small things make big changes. If every day you wake up late, check your phone, skip breakfast, your life feels messy. But if every day you wake up early, drink water, move, plan, smile, your life feels strong. One day may look small, but many days together build your life. And if every day is good, your whole life becomes good. Extra tips. Don't try to do everything on the first day. Start with 2 or 3 steps, then add more slowly. Make it fun. Play music while stretching. Sleep early at night, otherwise you can't wake up early. Tell your family. Do it together. It feels better. Final words. Friends, a morning routine is not just about time. It's about respect for yourself. It's about loving your body and your mind. When you start your day right, your whole day goes right. When your days go right, your life goes right. So from tomorrow, don't just wake up and rush. Follow this simple morning routine. Wake up early, drink water, breathe, be grateful, plan, learn, eat, smile. This routine is simple, but it can change your life. So are you ready to try it? Your new life starts tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.